Hello guys, welcome in this video, how to obtain and use Igris in Anime Vanguards. Igris, a legendary unit in Anime Vanguards, is known for his incredible power. In this tutorial we will guide you through the process of acquiring Igris and maximizing his potential. Step number 1. Complete story stages. Finish all 18 normal story stages, 6 per act. Number 2. Unlock double dungeon disaster. Clear all levels of Sand Village and the first 2 acts of double dungeon legend stage. Number 3. Farm for Igris. Successfully complete Act 3, Double Dungeon Disaster. There's a 0.75% chance of obtaining Igris as a secret unit. Be prepared for multiple attempts as it's a purely chance-based drop. Maximizing Igris potential. Level up. Prioritize leveling Igris to enhance his stats and abilities. Evolve Igris into his Igris Elite Knight form for a significant power boosts. Team composition. Consider pairing Igris with other powerful units like Alucard and support units like Sprint Wagon or Alligator for optimal performance. By following these steps and strategically using Igris, you will be well on your way to dominating Anime Vanguards.